Hi everyone, welcome back to Stuff About Tutorials. Today in this video we will see how to get logged out of ChatGPT account. Also I wonder why you want to get logged out of your ChatGPT. Maybe you just want to log in with another account, or maybe you're done with your work so you just want to log out and you don't know how to do it, or maybe there's any other reason for you to log out from ChatGPT account. So whatever the reason it could be, in this video I'll show you how easily you can log out from ChatGPT account. Also I will try to leave written instructions in the description so you can check that as well. First you have to unlock your mobile phone. After that you have to open a browser. The browser could be of your choice. It could be Google Chrome, Safari or any other browser. Once you have installed the browser, now it's time to open it by just tapping on its icon. After that, on the search bar, you have to search for ChatGPT or maybe for OpenAI. You can search by any one of these names so you will get to the right website. So here I'm just going for the ChatGPT. When I clicked on it, you can see we got the first link. Make sure you also select this first link because if you select any other link, you may end up on the wrong website. So just simply click on that link. Once you open the link, it will take a while to load and then we will get to the ChatGPT. So this is the website of ChatGPT. You have to click on Try ChatGPT and then your account will open. So here you do your work, like you ask question to ChatGPT. So now it's time to log out. So to log out it, you can see we have different options here, but what we have to do is we have to select the three lines which is on the top left side of the screen. As you can see, you just have to simply click on it and then few options will pop up. When you see these options, you just have to scroll down and there you will see the option which says logout. This is the last option. If you click on it, you will get logged out of your account. So now I'll show you once again. First you have to click on these three lines, then you have to scroll down and then you have to click on logout. If you click on logout, you will get logged out of your ChatGPT account. Now we are just back to the page where it will ask us to log in again. So if you want to log in again, you can log in. You don't have to even set any password. You just have to use your email that you have used before. You can log in back to your account whenever you need. There is no limitation to it like you lose your account. There is nothing like that. So this was the easiest way I know through which you can log out of your ChatGPT account or OpenAI account. If you know any other way of doing it, so let me know in the comment section below. Also make sure to subscribe the YouTube channel for more informative videos and updates. And at the last, thank you for watching the video.